In front of me is XIAOMI Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all typing options. Begin by opening settings and scrolling all the way down to access additional settings. Then click on Languages and Input, Manage Keyboards, and Gboard. Lastly, select Text Correction. As you can see, all typing options are here. To manage them, click on the switchers next to the chosen ones. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!